Hey guys, welcome back to GCSE explanation. This short video shows you how to convert recurrent decimals into ordinary fraction. So recurrent decimal, it's basically a repeating fraction or repeating decimal. Okay, so let's have a look at the problem. You need to convert recurrent decimal 0.6666 and it goes on and on up to infinity into ordinary fraction. The trick here is you just need to denote x is your recurrent decimal, and let's set up notation. I just put a line on top. It means that 6 is going to be a period for the fraction, so it means every time every next digit will have the same period 6. So it means every next digit is going to be 6. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we need to make the whole part just simply by multiplying by 10 both parts. Let's assume we multiply by 10. And the right side, if you multiply by 10, you simply can transfer your decimal point just one digit ahead. So it means you've got 6 whole and 666 recurrent. So another way you can say that 10x is going to be 6 and 6 recurrent, and x itself is going to be 0.6 recurrent. So I use dots, but this is the same as you put the line on top. So no matter which notation you will use, right now you have 10x equals to 6 and 6 recurrent, and x is just 0.6 recurrent. What if you subtract? You understand, because here we assume that there is 6 and also there is those 6 recurrent fraction. We just simply eliminate this part, this recurrent fraction, from the right side. And on the left side, we'll get 9x, okay? So 9x will be equal to just 6 because 0.6 recurrent was killed. And now x is going to be equal to 6 over 9, which means if you simplify, you'll get 2 over 3. So that's the simplest form. And indeed, if you use calculator, you'll get 0.6 recurrent. Let's get to the next example. You need to convert recurrent decimal 0. So in this case, 0.363636 into a fraction. So if you use dash line notation to denote recurrent part, so you just put the horizontal line on top over digits that actually period. So that means you have the period 36, then 36, then 36. So period in this case represents 2 digits. Okay, the trick is still the same. However, instead of multiplying by 10, now you need to shift decimal point exactly by 2 digits, so that to get 10x. So we mark x 0.36 recurrent. So we multiply by 10 and by 100 in this case, because we want to move 2 decimal place ahead. So that's why we multiply by 100. Why? Because the reason for that, in this case, you still will have the proper period of your fraction, of your repeating decimal. So while x is simply 0.36 recurrent, and you do the same, you subtract and you'll get 99x, and on the right side you'll have 36. So from where you can get 36 over 99, which in this case you can cancel by 9, you'll get 4 over 11, and that's the final answer. Thank you guys, that was pretty short for GCSE. If you want to see the A-level stuff, you can check out my videos as well as the Zillions A-level class. Okay, thank you guys, and see you in next video, in next short video that actually about converting the way back fraction into decimal.